I can't believe we're back in these chilly waters again.
It's all in the name of science, Kwazii.
Indeed, the creatures of the Arctic zone make some fascinating sounds.
And with the Octopod's underwater microphone, we can record them for our collection.
Ooh, what's making that sound?
Oh, just my tummy. I ate some of Tunip's kelp cakes for lunch, with a wee bit too much hot sauce.
Wait, I'm picking up something else. Listen.
Sounds like walruses to me.
The computer will match the sound with the animal, and we'll see if you're right, Captain.
Walruses. Now let me guess the next one. 'Tis a strange sound from a strange creature, and this strange creature could only be the herring.
Yes, herring. They talk by blowing gas bubbles out of their behinds.
Out of their behinds.
Ooh, what's that coming from?
Sounds like some kind of whale song. It is! Bowhead whales! They only live here in the Arctic, so their sounds can't be recorded anywhere else.
Look.
Howdy, folks.
Hello, we're the Octonauts.
Pleased to meet you.
That's an enormous head, even for a whale.
The head of each bowhead whale is as big as a bus.
We're not aiming to brag now, but we bowheads do have the strongest, toughest heads in the Arctic.
How tough?
Tough enough to smash through just about anything.
Yow!
And we make some pretty big sounds, too. Ready, boys?
I'm getting a perfect recording of them.
Bowhead whales sing all the time, while they're travelling, playing, even eating. It's how they talk to each other.
It's always nice to make new friends out here on the Arctic Range, but now we've got to hit the trail. It's feeding time. Come on, giddy up, partners.
Don't take care now. Bye.
Goodbye.
Yeah, what's that?
More whales?
It sounds familiar.
Narwhals, Captain.
Sounds like a call for help.
It is.
Then we haven't got a moment to lose. Kwazii, Peso, to the launch bay.
Jumping jellyfish. We found some hydrothermal vents.
What's a hydrothermal vent?
It's like an underwater volcano. That's very...
Creature report.
Creature report! Creature report!
An octopus can change its skin